Sydney Metro is Australia's biggest public transport project. It's transforming the way the city moves. It features a world-class automated train service, the first in Australia. Our signaling solution for the project is a CBTC GeoA4 solution. It allows people to turn up and go, eliminating the need for a timetable. Passengers will be able to catch a metro service every 4 minutes in peak periods, connecting north of the city right into the heart of the CBD. What we have delivered in Sydney is a world-class solution used across the globe. It's safe, reliable, and a real flagship project for our business here in Australia and New Zealand.
The system is now fully tested and the team has spent more than 9,000 hours making sure that the system is fully compliant and safe for operation. The most challenging part of testing and commissioning has been migrating the city section to the existing line. Since Sydney Metro Northwest continuously operates for revenue services, the work we do must not interrupt the travelling public.
What has been fantastic for me is to see our team of 25 graduates working on this project. They've engaged wholeheartedly with the experienced hands on the project, while also developing great relationships with our experts across the globe during testing. What a project! A world-class rail system delivered by a world-class team of engineers, day in, day out for our customer.